We got a 2023 Challenger RT in here today for a cold air intake by Injen. All you're gonna need today for the install is gonna be a flathead, an 8mm of your choice socket or wrench. Super easy to get to. Let's get into this. Got a couple things to install. First one, airbox, intake pipe, intake filter, rubber grommet, hardware, rubber coupler, miscellaneous things. All right, first, pop this off. Put it to the side. Now, this is the hardest part of the whole thing. You take this and you remove it. Boom, that's the hardest part. Now, pop that off. Take your trusty flathead. You're gonna loosen up this clamp right here. Boom. That's loose. Then you're gonna come over here to this one single 8mm. Pop this off. Set that right here in your bolt holder. Give that a tug. Give this a tug. And just like that, your stock airbox is out. Now, you're gonna take your coupler, put the bigger side onto the intake pipe with the correct size clamp. The other one is smaller. Go ahead and set this on there. Just like that, it'll fit nice and snug. There, like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get the grommet that fits right here, so that way we can plug the sensor back in from the old one. This is the sensor I'm referring to. All right, now that you got the rubber grommet in, you take your MAP sensor from your old one, pop it in here, twist it on, and just like that, goes right in just like OEM, nothing crazy. Tighten this on, make sure you grab your C-clamp, set it on, and put it on your throttle body. Now, let's get the box installed with the filter. We will take our filter and our box. It sets in and actually locks in, twist it in, boom, locks down. We gotta put the box in and then this. So, go ahead and pop the box on in here, like that. Pipe into the filter. There we go. Boom. Let's go ahead and get that tightened down. Just make sure it's pressed all the way up against that throttle body. Don't want it slipping off or sucking any extra air, water, etc. There we go. Pop our sensor connector back in, just like that. Get this tightened down now. There we go, that's tight. Now we'll go ahead and put this bolt back in here. Boom. Now your intake is installed. Only thing we have left to do is take this. We're gonna go ahead and just kind of wiggle this off. It's gonna come right out. Once you pop this little piece off, you're gonna go ahead and take the supplied hose with the connector, pop the connector into this. That's gonna fit onto the nipple that comes out. Now that does look kind of janky to me. I am gonna go ahead and trim up the hose back here. That way it looks a little bit better. But if you don't want to do that, you're basically done here. I'll show you guys what it looks like all dialed up with all the plastics back on and everything. There, all you Mopar guys have it. 25 minutes can get you this beautiful intake install.